Next, we'll go into diagnosis panels. Diagnosis panels allow you to create different panels for the codes that you would use most commonly. We do supply default panels to you in our system. To see what we have in our default panels, click on the blue link, and we will display all of the codes that we will supply to that panel. If you ever feel that a panel will not be utilized by your practice, you do have the option to archive the panel, which will not allow it to show up in your system. To create a new diagnosis code panel, click on New Diagnosis Code Panel. Name your panel, and from your panel, add all of the codes that you would like to see show up here. Again, using either the drop-down menu to search or the search box, type in what you'd like to use to search, and then when your search comes up, double-click on the codes that you'd like to see in this panel. Again, whatever you have a check mark next to is what will be saved in the panel. If you remove a check mark, that will not get saved in this panel. Click Save to save your panel. As you can see, I now have a new panel named Neck, and if I'd like to see what's inside of it, I click the neck in blue and it shows me what I've added. If we navigate back to the EHR dashboard, and again back into a patient's chart, we can navigate into the Problem List tab, add a new problem, and down below you will see the panels that you've created on the EHR setup side. There's our neck panel, so now if we selected it, the codes that we've added to choose from will be available down below. Again, this panel is not required for setup, but it's strongly recommended to help you get through the assessment section as well as the problem list section much faster, because if done, you'll have your most commonly used panels available to you. Now let's navigate back to practice management. Again, to administration.